Exiting the water with a victim isn't just about strength. It's about technique, efficiency, and adapting to the environment. In this video, we break down essential exit, carry, and transfer methods. Whether you're alone or working in a team, let's dive in. Solo rescuer, water exit and carry. For an unconscious victim, airway management comes first. With one hand, maintain a gentle chin support to keep the airway open. Use your opposite hand to grip the victim's wrist, securing control as you approach the shore. Once you're shallow enough, a drag-to-carry transition can be used. Fireman style. Be aware, this method can strain the rescuer's back. Use only when necessary and manageable. Alternatively, use a wrist-to-wrist grip, crossing the victim's arms and lifting from behind. Solo transfer to the ground. To safely lower the victim, place the head-side knee on the ground, keeping close to the victim. Slide your hand and forearm under their back. Release your supporting leg and gently place the victim in a horizontal position. Two rescuers, water exit and carry. One takes the head, always in control of the airway. The second supports the legs. There are two main variations for the leg rescuer. Facing the victim, slide arms under the legs for a balanced forward walk. Facing away, a reverse carry, useful in waves or uneven terrain. Lock your hands near the victim's hips to center the load and reduce strain. Another practical method for quick deposition. One rescuer controls the head. The other lifts both legs from the side, ideal for pivoting or rotating during the laydown. Emergency drags, speed over comfort. When time is critical or terrain is tough, dragging the victim may be necessary. Method 1. Victims facing the sky. Both rescuers place their elbow under the victim's shoulder, then lock the arm by gripping the opposite wrist. This creates a solid anchor for pulling. Method 2. Victim facing the sand. Again, elbow under the shoulder, but this time the victim's arm is pulled inward, secured by the wrist. To lay the victim down, one rescuer gently guides the opposite elbow, while the other stabilizes the head. If using a rescue tube, the drag can be performed by gripping the tube's rope under the shoulder. When ready to lay the victim down, remove the rescue tube first to ensure a flat and stable position. Every beach, every victim, and every situation is different. Mastering a range of exit, carry, and laydown techniques ensures you're ready for anything. If you're dealing with a suspected spinal injury, the protocol changes. Check this out.